SERV stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Yeah, I'm looking at SERV Robotics, and this is just sitting at 857, and I'm actually kind of in the same boat I was yesterday. Now, overall speaking, I'm sticking to a strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth, and I've documented everything. But like looking at SERV, boom, this is where we are. So this means that there's two ways that I was approaching this. One, where I was like waiting for a double break and it already went up, and two, going back to the first rule. So that's all that there is. There is not two ways. This should not be, the price should not be going lower than 7.08, because then that's going to be realized as a -1R. But I'm willing to see here and wait, you know, because there's nothing else that I'll probably do regarding SERV, and follow on other thicker symbols. But with this case, I mean, nothing else to do, mate. So yeah, like I said even in the previous video, the moment we start breaking above 1073 is the moment that I start to take the price higher. Everything else is noise. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.